Heartily good morning to my dear patriots. At first, let me wish you all a very happy Independence Day. On the tantalizing morning of this holy day, on 15th August, each Indian fills his heart with immense respect and love for his motherland. Today, we have gathered here to acknowledge our privilege of being born in India and to celebrate our 75th Independence Day and acknowledge the sacrifice of all the people behind the freedom of our country. We celebrate Independence Day as the national festival of India. The day marks the anniversary of national independence from the British Empire on 15th August 1947. We celebrate Independence Day on a vast scale in our country by hoisting the national flag and reciting the national anthem. We get to see how our freedom fighters of India fought for winning the battle and envisioned rising India to be an independent nation. The sacrifice of all the freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Tipu Sultan, Nana Sahib, Ashfaq Ullah Khan, Begum Hazrat Mahal, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Chandrasekhar Azad, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Subhash Chandra Bose, Mangal Pandey, Bhagat Singh, Indira Gandhi, who lost their lives at an early age just to fight for their country, can never be forgotten. Gandhiji was a great Indian figure who struggled to make our country free from Britishers. They were the ones who sacrificed their lives for the country. On this day, every citizen of our country pays tribute to them. Gaining independence from Britishers was not easy, and it because of the struggle and hardship of our freedom fighters that we now live in a free country. On Independence Day, we remember the long battle that our freedom fighters fought and sacrifices that they have made. Freedom is the most loving aspect of this era. We should all be proud to be an Indian, and we should admire our fortune to have been born in the land of independent India. So today, on the occasion of Independence Day, let's make a promise to ourselves that we will always protect our country by maintaining brotherhood. Thank you. I love my country. Happy Independence Day.